The LG V20 yesterday, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung GALAXY A50 for Verizon Wireless. So this is available on Verizon's postpaid service. So this is pretty cool. So this phone is now available as today, June 13th. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range Galaxy phone, the Galaxy A50 is worth checking out from Verizon Wireless on their postpaid service. So it's available in black. It has 6 GB of storage. Y'all guys can get it in 2 options. Y'all guys can pay monthly or buy it outright if you guys want. The Galaxy A50 is $14.58 a month for months or $349.99 outright. So there you guys have it. It does have a notch on the front there. You guys see that there. The water drop notch. Not too bad. It definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So there you go, not bad for a mid-range Samsung phone. Alright, so let's check this out. So it's time to choose the Galaxy A series that's right for you. Samsung Galaxy A50 features and advanced multi-lens camera for every occasion. Snap a sweeping view of the shoreline, make your features pop with the new level self or with the next level selfie. Or take a gorgeous late night photo of the city. The stylish and innovative smartphone features a luscious 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, 640 watts of built-in memory, and 4000 mAh battery, and you can make the most of it with Verizon, America's most awarded network. So specs on the hand so far are pretty damn good. This is a mid-range smartphone, so it's a pretty good phone for what it is. Not too bad specs on the hand, like I said, pretty good. This thing pops up every time I come to the Verizon website, every time I test, and that old chat box pops up every time. Sorry about that. The Galaxy A50 has 4.3 hours of standby time. 4.3 days of standby time, my bad. 4.3 days of standby time. 25.5 hours of usage time, 25 megapixel rear-facing camera, that's pretty good. 2.94 inches in width and 6.24 inches in height better. So the first thing that I'm going to be talking about here is the battery, which is 4,000 milliamps, big ass battery. The battery is not removable though, so it says get a phone that keeps up with your fast-paced life. Spend more time unplugged with a long-lasting 4,000 battery that lasts for up to 35 hours per charge, and power back up quickly using fast charging. That is a win. Broaden your view. No need to squeeze everyone together. The A50's ultra-wide lens gives you an expansive 123-degree field of vision for capturing sweeping landscapes, open skylines, and giant group shots ever. So that's pretty good. Focus on what matters. Live focus lets you highlight and draw attention to your subject, whether it's your pet, friend, or newest culinary creation. Adjust your photo after the spec with a simple tool for controlling background blur. So it has 3 cameras on back. Alright, so that's pretty good. It has a 25 megapixel front facing camera. Wow, that's pretty good. It has a depth sensor camera. It has a depth camera, which is 5 megapixels, and it has a main camera, which is 25 megapixels, and it has an ultra-wide camera on back, which is 16 megapixels, right? So that is a win. So great job, Samsung, for that. So for $250, it's a fucking good deal. Low light, no problem. The Samsung Galaxy A50 lens automatically adjusts low light, so whether you're snapping pictures during a sunny afternoon or well after dark, you will enjoy crisp, high quality images, alright? So that's good. So yeah, the phone looks fucking nice as hell. It has 3 cameras on the back. That's a one, not bad for $150. And it looks like it's available in this bluish color here. I think it's blue. It does look blue to me, or I think it's black. Yeah, it's black. It's black. I don't know why I said blue, but it kind of looks blue to me, but it's actually black. So, yes, as I said, the scene optimizer takes the hard work out of unforgettable photos. Using your Samsung GALAXY A50's intelligent camera, it recognizes up to 30 different scenes, including animals, landscapes, and text, and adjusts your settings accordingly. Alright? Shoot for perfection. Do your special limits justice. Fall detection identifies photo blur and closed eyes, letting you be shot while you're still in the moment. So it has the same features as the Galaxy S10. I think the A9 has this. It has flaw detection, so if you're trying to take a group picture or something and someone has their eyes closed, it will let you know. They'll tell you if someone's closed their eyes a bunch of water, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah. More on display. Life looks better through a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, complete with a captivating edge-to-edge display. Using the integrated fingerprint sensor, you will get quick and secure access to your device with a single press of a finger. So this is a fingerprint sensor. I don't know where. It doesn't say where the fingerprint sensor is. Space to grab. Keep more of your photos, shows, movies, and apps on hand with 64 GB of built-in storage. Then add up to 512 GB of extra space using a micro SD card device. That's pretty dope. Is fingerprint sensor. I don't know where it is. Don't know where. It's probably maybe in the screen. Maybe in the display fingerprint. I don't know. So the Galaxy A50, it has XLTE, which should be LTE Advanced, I guess. Doubling my 4G LTE bandwidth and 6 gigahertz. It is a world device which can work in over 200 countries. Standby time is 4.3 days. Usage time 25.5 hours. 25 megapixel camera on the back and 8 megapixel camera in front. The width is 2.94 inches. The weight of the A50 is 5.86 ounces. The height of the phone is 6.24 ounces. The battery, 4,000 milliamps. It has Android Pie on there. Probably has a One UI on there. Probably it does. It has micro SD card slot up to 512 gigs. XMS octa-core 9610. Has HD voice, expands to HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. And then Wi-Fi calling and make calls in the way you have Wi-Fi connection. If you guys need help with your A50, Verizon says that help you with that with device support. So y'all guys know how to use different features of the Galaxy A50 with device support. So check it out if you guys need help with your phone. And what comes in the A50 box is y'all guys get the Galaxy A50. Pre-install SIM card, 4,000 mAh battery, which is not available. Wall adapter, USB cable, USB connector. Quick reference guide, important consumer safety information. Product safety and controversial, so you know your basic stuff like the headphones or anything like that. So yeah, they got the Samsung GALAXY A50 is not available at Verizon for $349.99 a month, right? Or $14.58 a month for 24 months. Said that this is available on Verizon's postpaid for right now. I'm sure it will make its way to Verizon prepaid at some point, so stay tuned for that. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range Galaxy phone on Verizon Wireless, the Galaxy A50 is worth checking out. It's available in black. Specs on this phone are pretty fucking good. So great job Samsung for this one right here, looks very nice. So yeah, there you guys have it, Galaxy A50, now for Verizon. So if you guys do this video, give me a thumbs up guys, or let me know. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.